Mic drop. These dismissing the hard work, they calling it talent. And I find that disrespectful, cause I put on the mileage. Up for the but I'm down for the challenge. Step off the scene just to find me a balance. These niggas don't want it to get it, cause when it got hard, them niggas I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah. Look, shit, I chase hits to make some real shit. Something that they feel shit. Cause all I know was speaking on some shit I really deal with. Like how I and in the morning didn't feel shit. Was tired of being single, so I went and got a real. Like how my homies quit and left this rap. So now I'm grinding dolo in they absence, nook. But I'm still sticking to the plan, cause I mapped it, nook. And I don't care about going slow, just not backwards. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah. Look, Nick don't really want it that bad. I see it clearly now, but me, I really want it that bad. My grind is eerie now. First I write the songs, mix the songs and shoot the videos. On my iPhone, shit is serious, you hear me though? I ain't got no label backing me, it's just me and my girl. So when I blow up, I'ma give it a whirl. Cause I'm overly focused and overly thorough. When it's all said and done, they're gonna build me a mural. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah.
Yo, what is going on, everybody? Good morning, good evening, and also good afternoon to those that is tuned in. I know this is like the last minute stream right now. I didn't even make like a big announcement on my Instagram or anything. It kind of just went live and just kept it like that. So let's hit the like button. Let's get the YouTube algorithm to blow this one up. Other than that, man, I definitely want to show you guys what's been going on my personal account and also what's been going on my funded account. So let's see. Let me go ahead and change up our tunes. All right, cool. Okay, guys. So, like I said earlier, I'm working on a $100 account for those that's new. I'm working on a $100 account, and we're actually scaling this puppy to $100,000, and then from $100,000, we're going to scale this to basically $1 million. So that being said, currently I'm also working on a funded account with for funded as well. Currently we've been really slow with this account, unfortunately, which I'm kind of surprised, but it's really because of two big L's I took on NASDAQ last week, and I just left the market alone. So this week, of course, back in better entries and better positions and all of that fun stuff. So right now I am currently taking a buy. Y'all not even looking at the right screen. Hold on. All right, there we go. So I'm currently in a buy position for US30 actually. Let me jump on a 5-minute time frame. And then on this 5-minute time frame, there's a small entry that I'm looking at, which I believe was this right here. Longing it. I'm only just longing it to like these levels right here. Right, stop loss is roughly around where you guys see my moving averages at, which is at around 43,635. It's kind of where we at right now. I'm trading this currently on my funded account and personal account. So yes, let me go ahead and enter in. I don't even know why I just did that. Guys, I gotta enter my password. Give me 2 seconds. I gotta figure this out. I don't even know what it is. Or log into my email. I'm gonna put a poll up and see. I want to see where we at right now, man. I'm gonna put a poll up. Guys, once again, subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video if you want to tap in. Also, by the way, for those that's new, I am doing a $100,000. I said 200. It was $200,000 last week, but that was a typo. It's a $100,000 account that I'm doing exclusively through Board. All the instructions is literally up there. All you have to do is follow me, follow Board, share a story from my live stream on your Instagram account, or any of my feeds or any Board feeds. You can share it on your story. And then third is follow my Discord community, or you can follow Board's Discord community. Either or. Yo, what is going on? What is going on, brother? How you doing? I hope everything is all well with you. All right, I am looking for my password for this account. Is this it? You guys can't see this, so let me go ahead and share it. Okay. All right. So we're down right now with this challenge. I'm sorry, not with the challenge. We're down with this trade, which is, like I said, US30. Ooh, y'all, I didn't even check to see if we have any high impact news today. Maybe I should do that. This New York opening, yeah. No, yeah, that's facts. Let me see. Yeah, you're right. Everything, it's pretty dry today. So that's good to know. It's pretty dry today. We ain't got too much to worry about. Just the opening session. That's it. What's my average RR? My average RR is honestly 1-on-1s. I always go for the 1-on-1s, usually for TP1, and then for TP2, I usually extend it out for 1 and 2. So that's typically what it is, you know. I mean, I guess I can go off of something else. But this is dropping. This is dropping. Why don't I have the 2 minute or the 4 hour daily? Can't extend that out. That's kind of trash. Okay, guys. So I want to show you where we're at with our current account. Started at $100. This is a funded account, by the way, that you're seeing with Trade Locker. But if we go to my actual MT4X through Hankotrade, we're currently sitting at $335 on this account. This account, I've been going crazy as far as when it comes to risking, more so than my funded account. You guys know, if you don't know, I actually risk a little bit more on my actual personal account than I do on my funded account. So I can't really show you guys the log because it's, unfortunately, it's like maybe here. No, okay, never mind. But basically, we took a win on gold. We ended up taking a oil trade. $5 profit, and then we had a 30 trade end up going in profit, and then we also had all NASDAQ trades, which all one is at $43, the other is $168, and the other one that I just took this morning is $18. So I realized holding trades out a little bit longer for this account is working best right now for me. But I just want y'all to keep in mind, though, like I always say, remember, follow your plan, right? Regardless of whatever your plan is, Come on, baby. Zoom in, zoom in. Camera acting funny today. They really don't want to zoom in on me. There we go. Always know what you're risking. Always know how to compound your account. Always know what pairs to trade and what times to trade. Always follow your trading strategy and always stick to your rules. After that, there's a three confirmation play that I always follow in every trade. Doesn't matter what type of strategy I'm using. I always like to look for these 3 different steps. 1, wait on structure to break a minor high or minor low. 2, wait on a range, then wait for it to pull into the midpoint or the extreme point, which is known as supply demand in a lot of you guys' eyes, or order blocks or key levels. Also, you need to know the range. Once you identify the actual range, which is the previous trend, don't draw your fibs from the biggest trend that you see in the market. You draw it from the previous trend. When you spot the previous trend, you pull out your Fibonacci and you draw it from your A point to your B point. And then from there, you will know exactly what is below the 50 is more so your valid levels. And then the last thing here is entry. Enter once you see some type of price momentum. This can be anything from candlesticks, price action patterns, or just strong momentum in general. So keep that in mind, guys. This is pretty much what I look at when I'm trading. Nothing complicated, all simple stuff, but it can get complicated if you want to make it complicated. It's all I gotta say. It can get there if you want it to get there. So we are, yeah. Let me see. Let me go back to my there we go. So I might be getting out this 30 trade, hopefully seeing where we can get the next candles. Not the best entry position, I would assume that, but we just gonna have to see. Yeah, we're just gonna have to see. Is this hitting it? I'm gonna just tap out. I'm gonna just tap out of this. This was not the play. Damn, this was my first trade off of this account this week. Fuck. I'm gonna look for a better entry. I'm gonna definitely recoup these funds back. Do I trade gold or Bitcoin? I used to trade Bitcoin, but I don't. I don't trade gold anymore. So yeah, I don't really mess with gold that much. Yeah. How much you down on those 2 accounts? So actually, I'm not down on. I'll show you again, but I'm not down on the personal account. It's up, as you see here. You can't really see it, but $300. So we're doing good. $100, $103 I deposited into this account. We're up $300. We're doing good. I'm going to be dropping a video on this today. Oh no, not today. Today is Tuesday. So by tomorrow, you guys will see the video up. Damn, this is actually moving. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I might have to tap into this one. Need to get crude oil in here too, and I need to get Dow. I need to get 30. US wall. That's 30. Okay. All right. I am also not down on my funded account. I am still up. We are sitting at still about $4,000 in profit. Win rate is at a 68% right now. These trades, why did I take these trades? These was random trades. All right, guys. So for those that don't know, sign up through Boar. I need everybody to go ahead and sign up through Boar. Link is down below. But what I'm about to do is enter in a new strategy, because this was a strategy I need to enter just called just random, meaning that this trade only happened just because I didn't follow any rules. Just random trading rules or risk set. What do I think about? I never actually tried them out before. All right. So I'm about to enter in these 2 trades. This is the only prop firm that has this, by the way, guys. This is the only prop firm that has this journal. It is going to be AI by the end of this month as well, which is going to be really cool. Meaning that when you guys first sign up, you're going to have a ChatGPT section. It's going to kind of guide you to like what it's going to give you like a guidance. Like, hey, you should focus on scalping or swing trading or intraday trading today due to news that will be happening at such and such time. It's going to be doing a lot of shit like that. No other prop firm has that feature. So, all right, guys. So basically, as you see, there's this strategy that I implemented inside here, right? This is known as before I actually start talking, let me make sure this, let me look at, okay, we're good. 30 isn't doing anything yet for us. But basically, this is telling me that, where is it at? Yeah, right here. This is the strategy. I don't know if it's this strategy. Yeah, this is not the strategy. This is the strategy. So this strategy right here is basically telling me that just random trading. It's just telling me that I need to not be doing this. If the number is too high, yo, what's going on, brother? If the number is too high as far as my percentage, as far as like, as you guys see here, we was at, oh, let me go back to my trading account and make sure it's added properly. Let me see if I added it again. I'm gonna try to re-add it, guys, so I can show you what I'm talking about. By the way, what are you guys trading today? I don't think I ever put a poll up. No, I have not. Let me put a poll up. Indices, and then we also got futures, and I didn't put Forex in there because I put gold and oil together. Just curious to see, guys, what are we trading today? All right, cool. So as y'all see, the strategies has been added. So cool. These are just, like I said, these trades are just random trading. But yeah, I mean, obviously the best month was $1,000. So basically what this does is it tells me how many bad shitty trades I took based off not following my rules. And clearly I took 2 right now off of that. So I always like to keep this number as low as possible. I do know my 3-man standing strategy is like my best strategy thanks to this journal. Clearly see I took 8 trades off of this, which is the most trades I took. Top 5 instruments with the best win rate obviously is R3. It's 100%, but that's not going to be the case in like this week. I can literally tell you that right now. Actually, there's 2 strategies that I haven't even added in yet, and this was also taken today. This was just random. Wait. What's today? The 21st. Yeah, these was taken today. So these are just random trades. I don't even know why I took these trades. I just took them. I'll go back to the journal. I'm gonna go to plans. As you guys see, this is kind of what my week been. So we had took a total of 2840 losses. Jesus Christ, that's just crazy. As you guys see, last week I still made profit. This is $5,000 I made profit. I lost 600 and I lost 29. I was still profitable for the week, but I end up just not trading the other days because I'm like, yo, nah. And then last week I was still profitable. So I'm still profitable overall. Don't get me wrong. You know, that's the main goal. Is the end goal. What is the end goal? What is the end goal? I'm gonna journal that later and add some other stuff to that. NASDAQ is still playing, man. All right, so let's go back to TradingView. So, man, this week for oil, last week for oil's been killing it. Like, I've been looking at the numbers, I've been looking at the plays, and I've been missing out on all of it, man. I've been missing out on every single play. I'm like, yo, why do I keep missing out on these plays? I gotta catch these plays, man. But yeah, I keep missing out on these plays. Hopefully we can try to catch some today though. So 29% of you guys say gold and oil. I would assume that gold is y'all like your top dog. Do you guys actually make money off of gold long term? All right, but I'm also at 3 MA scalper. That's good. Making profit long term with it. I actually made more money trading oil than anything else. Yo, T, what's going? Wow, ain't that about a fucking bitch? Oh, my fucking trade right there. That was the trade of the fucking day right there. Wow, unfucking expected. TP was supposed to be right here. It's right here. Let's see what it's gonna do in the close. What we got? Oh, we got. All right, so technically we already tapped in. We have this right here is our range. This right here is that. Shitty entry though. Since it's not the best entry, it's like, do I really want to get in this? Entry would be like right here. Oh, we dropping. Okay. This is a trash entry, man. This is a trash move in general. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, we ain't even hit 5 waves yet. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this might be the 5th one right now. That's a crazy pullback. Let's see what NASDAQ is doing. Damn, today is pretty trash. I don't really have any good setups. Oh, I can't wait for this to happen. This move for this to drop. This is gonna be crazy. You do when you normally don't have any. What do I do when you normally don't have any setups? Do you stop? Yeah, and that's a great question. When I don't have any setups, we go to making music in my look, guys. I'm building my little recording studio in the background. Y'all probably can't see it, but let me see. Like, yeah, y'all can't see it, but why can y'all not see it? Hold on, I said it. Why can y'all not see it? But as you guys see, I'm trying to build my little recording studio. My recording studio in the background. Can y'all see it this way? Maybe it's a little better. So what we is going to do is when we don't have any good trades, we just going to do something else with our lives. Because I always say, if you don't see what you see in the market, do not trade it. Do not trade it. Don't stress it. Do something else. Read a book. Whatever you do, go to the gym. Whatever you do, just do something else. Don't trade something that you don't want to trade because your setup does not exist. Yeah, US30 is completely fucking dead right now. Damn. I'm not even like a NASDAQ trader for real, so I don't even know if this is something I would even spot it in general. I'm still interested in my oil though. Yeah, NASDAQ did take a flat ass dump. For those that's just now joining, we are at $300 in profit for our overall account. That's going to be dope. To see it grow to something crazy. And if you guys aren't yet, make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to get a 100K account. I will be announcing the winner on Friday night to be exact. So make sure you guys are tapped into my live streams on Friday night. I will be announcing the winner out loud. Randomizer is what we'll be using. I'm not favoritism anybody, but I do have all the people that's been doing what they're supposed to do in here. Yes, sir, Jay. I'm back. Yes, sir. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, The Real Solo E. Make sure you follow Boar Funded. Share the story from my lives or share this live stream on your actual story on Instagram, or you can tag me or Boar. But make sure you also share like something else if you want to. If you don't want to share this, like a feed or something on my Instagram or Boar Instagram, and then follow Board Funded Discord or follow my Discord for the winner to be announced. And yes, 100K account is what we're giving away. 100K challenge account is what we're giving away. So you guys will be able to journal all of your trades. You'll be able to use the AI feature when that comes out by the end of this month. You guys will be able to fucking get paid outs once you have a funded account. It takes up to 4 hours to get payouts. You also have stage 1 and stage 2 right now. Stage 1 is 8%. Stage 2 is 6%. And then also on top of that, they have this really cool even though they have the consistency rule, they have a calculator that literally kind of shows you everything you need to know about it. And it's fucking cool. I use your discount code for Funder Pro for sure. Yeah, I am giving away. If you guys also want, I'm also doing a discount code for Boar as well. Like I said before, I'm tapping in with Boar right now. But yeah, you giving away a 100K challenge. I am absolutely giving away a 100K challenge. Yes. So guys, oh wait, hold on. What US30 is doing something weird. What is it doing? I got quiet because I thought, I'm actually considering about this entry. What scares me with this little entry is it's a nice setup for a scalp play, but it just happened too fast. I don't think it's worth the risk, though. I don't think it's worth the risk, y'all. I really don't think that trade is worth the risk. I'm glad I got off that NASDAQ trade earlier on my personal account because I would have been fucking pissed. Yeah, it's not worth the risk for that. For this little position, I need a better entry. The entry was trash, but this trade setup was pretty cool to see it, but it was just not the best setup. So yeah, I got some exciting news. I'm actually going to wait until we get more people on the live stream to talk about some new segments that we're doing on my actual channel. So once we start getting some more people tapped in, I'm gonna actually be making that announcement. T Emotion, you said, how long did it take you to master your consistency, like waking up and there are no good setups, but still waking up the next day to try at it again? How long does it take you to kind of master that? Man, that's a great question. That's a discipline thing. I feel like when it comes to trading, you really got to understand that trading isn't something you should be doing every day if you especially don't see your setup. So I mean, it took me, been trading for 6 years now, so it literally took me four years to at least understand it, 5 years to start to pick up on it, and 6 years to master it. I'm still mastering it, right? So it's not like something that I'm like perfected at, but it's something that I've been working on year by year by year, and I realize I get better and better and better and better. This fucking US30 traders is really killing me right now, man. I'm tired of seeing it. Are you a fake giveaway person? I don't even know what that means, but no, I'm not a fake giveaway person. I'm so disappointed in this trade, and this is right here is a prime example of showing you guys a trade that I was in, got out the trade early, and now it's going in my favor. And 90% of traders will actually tap right back in this market, especially if you really don't even know the overall scope of really what's going on. But this is something I would have did back in the day. I would have been like, fuck, let me get back in, and then go from there. So yeah, it's crazy. Nah, facts, for real. This is where it happens. This is where you guys start to blow your account or make some profit, and then you realize, like, damn, this is nothing. And then you try that same thing the next day, and then you realize you just blew your account, or you just damn near lost all your money. That happens. That's why I don't get in them trades, because that mindset, if you tap into trades like that with that mindset, I promise you, long term, you're gonna fail. You're definitely gonna fail. I don't even want to look at this, because that's what happens too. Like, when I start looking at shit like this, I get, shit, I should have got in it. You know? I do believe oil is still in for a drop. We already tapped into a level that I was actually curious about. We actually tapped into this level, so I'm curious to see if oil is going to increase and go from there. So maybe we might see something for oil. Even though oil, a lot of y'all been sleeping on oil, but I know a lot of y'all started trading oil since y'all been watching me. And for those that have been watching me for a long time, you guys know that oil is my most profitable asset. That's why I have it in my rule book now. I only trade oil and US30. I realized overall, when I started journaling my stuff, I realized overall my US30 and US oil was top dog. Like, it just made more sense for me to actually trade US oil, and 30 overall. NASDAQ wasn't actually as profitable as I wanted it to be compared to those other two. So it's kind of like, that's why it's in the bottom of my list right now. But hell, it does move. I think the thing about me, guys, that I realized as a trader is I don't like, what's the term I want to use? I don't like aggressive reactions from the market instantly, like gold. That's why a lot of y'all possibly may like gold, because it's very volatile, right? Which is fine. But the thing that I realize is I like to look for structure, like really settled structure, because that's how I trade based off my strategy. It's a really structured schematic. And I feel like, how can I put it? I feel like at the end of the day, since I trade based off of a system, like a very schematical, systematic, structural thing, I like to take these type of trade. I like to work with pairs that does shit like that, and that's an oil. I realize when it comes to indices, S&P 500 as well as US30 are very, very structured compared to NASDAQ. Gold, in my opinion, it's structured, but it's not the structure that I like to see it based off my strategy and my style of trading. Like I get you guys love gold, and I get gold is fucking an amazing asset to trade. Like if you pay attention to this, I talked about this last week where I told you guys my 3-man standard strategy is so spot on. It doesn't matter what you're trading. It's just mentally when I'm trading gold, I'm not mentally trained to trade gold as I am mentally trained to trade oil and mentally trained to trade US30. That's really all I'm getting at the end of the day. Like if I see this big ass move right here, I'm getting nervous and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And I see it hit here and I'm like, I'm out. But then I look here and it's like, okay, it's back up. Okay, it's back up. So it's just a mental thing for me personally, because I mentally set myself up for structure and for slow and steady reactions. But when it comes to long-term growth, oh yeah, I'm fine. So that's just what it is with me. Now let me show you guys my 3-man standard strategy again. Make sure you like this video, guys, if you haven't already, and then do me one huge favor, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already as well. I promise you guys are going to be getting so much fucking fire gems from me at the end of the day. So I'm gonna make sure I do my best. But if you guys pay close attention to this move right here, you will see that I'm drawing my fills from this range to this range. Now when I do this, I'm going to almost guarantee that anywhere from here it tapped into my -27 mark, or it tapped into my -618 mark, which are considered my TP marks, known as PML, right? Like P and H, which is just basically my previous high or previous low. So if we draw from here, you pretty much see that we tapped into these levels very well, and we started to pull back. It went up a little bit, liquidity grab, and then it sweeped it, and then down, and it drops, and then it goes up again. So even if you guys pay close attention to this, we have another wave pattern. I'm gonna just mark it like that. That's pretty much really what it is. It's 1, 2, and 3. So this is a 3 play. Let me just ABC this up. A, B, and then C. That's what that is. And then, you know what? Let me make it better for you guys. So it goes like this: 1, a 2, and a 3. And this is the continuation. Draw my fills from here to here. This is where I see gold hitting, guys. So for those that's interested in still buying gold, buy it, but buy it at a good position. So then now, since we now know where gold is hitting on a higher scale, we jump on a lower scale and we do the exact same thing, right? This is how you guys need to figure out where you're at in the market instead of just buying it right now and shit. Take your time. So look right here, we have another wave pattern. This is Elliott wave. My 3-man standing strategy is all Elliott wave. I've been trading this from day one since I've been trading for 6 years. I've been learning it a lot myself. So as you guys see here, we got one. Nope, let me use this. We got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5, and then a continuation. Let's draw our fibs out. Our fibs is going to tell us how far this range is going to go before we just fucking buy it. Because a lot of you guys are going to buy it now and be like, oh, he told me it's going to go here. Let me buy it right now. No, we got a smaller range we got to pay attention to. So as you guys see, technically, let me get this line out. I like to draw my fibs almost down there perfect. Like right there. All right. So technically, we already tapped into TP1, which is this level here. So yes, at any given moment, we should be pulling back right now. So this basically just shows you guys, do not get into the market right now for gold. So guess what we're going to wait on? We're going to wait on the exact same thing right here, right? So if we pay close attention, this first pullback might be the first move of a bigger wave pattern. Let's just say this is what the wave pattern would be. So this would be 1, 2, and 3. You will always get 3 to 5 waves inside of a correction. This is how perfect you can get in, almost a perfect entry. I'm gonna say this one more time. You can almost get in any correction after the third wave and the fifth wave is done. The only scary part about the third wave is you don't know if it's still going to do 2 more waves. So like it did right here, we had on a higher scale, we had 5 plays. We had 1, 2. Can I don't have that Elliott wave playing here. Let me grab it. So as you guys see, I got all Elliott wave saved in here, but I don't have it. We're just gonna do A, B, C, D, E because technically that's what it's supposed to be. A, B. Oh, right here. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jesus, it's so choppy. It's crazy. 4, 5. So A, B, C, D, E, and then boom, continuation. So we don't know if we're going to get those 5 waves. That's the only downfall about wave 3 or trying to figure out the wave 3 to wave and such. So right now, that is pretty much what's going on. So yes, I will be patient in taking this gold trade because I don't know exactly if it is going to correct itself. But if it is going to correct itself, it needs to be at least 3 waves. So as you see, it's still going up right now. This is a shitty entry in my opinion, unless you're like really scalping it and you're like trailing your stops. That's probably the only advantage that you will have right now with gold. Or if you already got in gold, then cool. Give me an account, give me a like. If you want the account, follow my challenge. Follow my instructions up top. It's very simple. I don't just give accounts away like that. There's rules to this that you got to do. All right, so that being said, that's pretty much how I trade my setup, y'all. It's that simple. It's literally that simple. Oil is moving, anticipating my plays how I want it to. Let me jump on a 1 hour scale. Let's see. What scares me is what is oil really going to be doing if we start tapping into some of these levels right here. Are you in long positions? When did you get in a long position? Guys, keep mentioning. I see you guys are mentioning me on your stories. Everybody that's mentioning me, like I said, I'm saving them. So shout out to all the ones that's mentioning me. I'm saving y'all. Not the strategy you use, bro. I'm a LTF trader. Got you. Can you elaborate? For those that don't know what you're saying, what is that? I am actually going to be looking for an entry for a gold position too, by the way, guys. For those that's saying gold is right now is ranked number 1. So I will be looking for a gold position. All right, so basically what you're saying is that basically a scalper, right? Yeah, LTF scalper, but on a 3 minute time frame, a SMMA 9, I buy and sell, bounce, pull back, using a 15 minute as confirmation and a bias. I like that. I like that. Basically what I was getting at is, as you guys see, there's so many different strategies in the market to use. You just gotta fucking pick one and just go off of it, right? Like this one here is saying they're using a 3 minute time frame, and then off the 3 minute time frame they're using the moving average. Simple, smooth moving average. And then that is the length at 9. So like even for me, I use 2 moving averages. I actually use the EMA at 113, and I also use the EMA moving average at 24. So yeah. Yeah, I was about to say your strategy definitely sounds really dope. It sounds more aggressive for sure. But I agree with you. I would definitely say for those that is new to trading, my strategy would probably be the easiest strategy because it's the most smoothest strategy. It's the most safest way to enter. I do have another crazy strategy, which is like my liquidity phase strategy, which is like more aggressive. And this is when a market is going like this. Like, yeah, a lot of people don't even trade sideways markets, but I have a strategy that's been very fucking successful trading sideways market just because I understand Wyckoff. To those that don't know what Wyckoff is, let me elaborate again what Wyckoff is. So basically, let me go to my documents, pull it up. If I can't find it, then shit, it is what it is. We might be SOL. I don't know where I saved it at again. I always do this. Damn. I found it. So basically, I look at a lot of accumulation and distribution moves, right? And what that looks like, which you guys cannot see, unfortunately, let me like change this to screen too. So like basically, as you guys see right here, this is what I look at. It's like all in my mind mentally. You stay away from range, that's where my strategy blows up quick. So this is literally what I look at every second of the day. That's just mentally set in my mind. So this is a schematical play. I'm gonna just keep this super simple so you guys don't have to like get too confused. So if you pay attention to this up thrust at distribution, basically, I believe that's what AD stands for. I can't remember. I just know UT stands for up thrust. But if you guys pay close attention to this is just a liquidity sweep, and 90% of y'all eyes that know a lot about ISDT or smart money concept, this and da. This is literally a liquidity sweep. This is Wyckoff schematical play that's been here since the 18th century, and this is what I look at. So I eliminate a lot of this right here, like this preliminary support, right? This automatic rally, signs of weakness in phase B, buying climax, up thrust, last point of supply, support line. All of that shit doesn't mean nothing to me, but I do pay attention to the actual schematic. What I mean by schematic is the structure. This is why I told you guys earlier why I like structure, because I get to play with my brain and I'll be like, all right, I remember that distribution, usually you would get like 2 hits in that same range. And that will usually be like my buying climax or my secondary test, or be my up thrust. So I know that I'm like, we're about to get to phase C, which is liquidity sweep. Once I get that, I'm almost like, all right, bet. Now I know that this is that last entry model to just fucking buy it or sell it. So that's what I look for. That's what I look for constantly in the market, and that's pretty much like this right here where I break down my 3 confirmation entry. I just catch these small plays off of that, and then I just go from there. So like even like this play right here, let's say I was looking to sell it, it would be the same setup. It would be the same setup that I have mentally, where I'm saying like, all right, where's my automatic rally? Where's my buying climax? Where's this? Where's that? Where blah 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 blah. And if I see it, then I'm in it, right? So I see right now that this might not be the move to sell yet. It's still going up. Let me see if I can catch another play for you guys that shows that. Not saying you will always see this accuracy and you will always see it just like you see it in a picture, but when it comes to trading a lot of these assets, you definitely do get that play Wow, look at that. Gold just spiked. It ended up hitting that TP1 on a higher scale, so this means we could be expecting a sell. So now let's go back to that schematical play again, and let me just show you guys. What if we get that same setup, right? What if we get that same setup? If you guys look right here, this is that range. This is that trend that I'm talking about. So if you look at gold, right? If you look at gold, that's basically what's happening here. Let me remove that. That's basically what's happening right here. So let's just say that, okay, yeah, I see what you're saying. Let's just say that this move right here might be the buying climax. This move right here might be our supply level. So I'm gonna just say supply because this all might be the supply. And then also, if market decides to drop and head back up, that might be our secondary test. And then if we get another move back up, that could be our up thrust. And then if we get like that final move of liquidity, that can be that. And that can be a sell for sure, right? But the next question is, how far down are we going and where are we going to? I need to always know where we're going to before I just sell it or before I just buy it to feel more confident in my entries. So that's pretty much how you guys can determine a perfect entry model by looking at that. If you guys want this, man, just subscribe to the channel. I will be dropping more videos, like pre-recorded videos on this stuff, so you guys can catch in tune with it. Let me see, US30. One other thing I wanted to show you guys was my trading journal. Oh geez, this haven't been open in a long time. Enable content. Save it. I'm pulling my journal to show you guys something real quick. Initial. That's not it. Save it though. I cannot find it. That's the crazy part. $10. Alright, this might be one. Enable editing. Okay, so I want to show you guys something real quick. So this journal is what helped me, like, how can I put it? Figure out my strategies and figure out my pairs. So my initial balance was 2,700 for this one account. I don't remember. This is something we did like damn near 2 years ago on our live streams when we were going live. But as you guys see here, I can kind of map out my different strategies and know what strategy was profitable. So overall, I had a 77% win rate on this. I end up making a total profit, a total of $8,000 off this account. 3-man standing strategy, I end up making, I don't understand how that's 10,000. I end up grossing 10,000. I had an 86% win rate. My risk to reward was 0.4. My profit factor was 2.5. That was my average. And then if we go to Fibonacci strategy, which I can't remember what I said my Fibonacci strategy was, but that was 100% win rate. We took a total of 8 trades. 3-man standing, we took a total of 129 trades. Just random trading. Random trading means, once again, like shit that I should not be trading. That was at a 23% win rate. I always make sure I keep it lower. And my liquidity phase strategy was at 71%, but we only took 21 trades and made $200. So that wasn't much. But then if I go to my details and go to charts, I can like see every spec that I've seen as far as like what was my best days, what was my best top trades, what were my best symbols to trade. And that's kind of how I figured out everything I needed to know about. All right, boom. And that's how I created this right here. So it's very important to understand, guys, you need to journal your trades. And this is why I am highly recommending tapping into Board Funded, because that Board Funded has the exact same stuff that this does as well, plus more with the AI that's going to be coming. So journaling your trades is key element to knowing what type of trader you are, what you should be risking, what works for you, and what days or what pairs you should be trading. Literally, guys, that's the important part. Journal, 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 journal. Okay, look at what is this, US30? Do we have anything going for US30? It's like we got this right here. Yeah, man. It's today's trash right now, man. Nothing happening today. It's trash. Southern Smoke, what is going on, my boy? But the mother guys is whack, they not me. Godspeed, sweetie, living out my dreams. I don't need a genie. Pops did Madonna shows, music in my blood, it was destined for me. Once I get my studio hooked up, guys, I'm gonna have a camera set up back there too. That's gonna be hooked up to this live stream, and y'all gonna see me just making music. If there ain't nothing happening in the market, we gonna make sure this live stream cranking up. I promise y'all. Trying to set up this office space that I got right here, YouTube content space. I can't really see it, but that's not whatever. It's cool. Y'all get it. I'll set it all up later. But basically what I'm getting at is back there I got the speakers set up. I'm also working on getting look at this. Basically I'll be working on, I got the computer set up. I have my microphone over there that you guys can't see. The monitors, I have this really big JBL subwoofer for the studio. I also have my big knob as well for like my interface. I don't know if any of you guys do music or even know what the hell I'm talking about, but yeah, you can't see it, but yeah, it's all there. So I'll do another we're gonna go crazy. Like I'm just showing you guys what I do when I'm in a trade or not in the trade, and kind of just work my way from there. And y'all get the point. But make sure you guys subscribe, man. Make sure you guys subscribe. So that being said, I do music in Nigeria. Oh, that's what's up. I'm down to hear whatever you guys do. Play some of my music. Yeah, we can do that. If YouTube don't copyright my tunes. Oh, you know what? Dang, at this moment, this is actually where that this is where that thing that you had on Notion will work, where it will have all my music there. You know what? But it's fine. Don't worry about it. I actually have I can just pull it up here. Yeah, I see what you was on, T. I see what you was on. I got you. Oh, we got too much going on right now. What the hell? All right, cool. But anywho, yeah, we're back. YouTube is definitely about to try to like strike this. I'm like, bro, this is my song. This is my song. I play this song too when I'm like, when I'm in the trend. My account is at $300, y'all. I'm excited. We're moving it up. Go to Anthony. What's up, brother? Let me stop talking.
You coming with me cause you might not survive in it. I got the juice, I'm in a high ceiling. Just take care of the rest, I don't wanna resign to you. But I keep two in that bitch by, yeah. I got a lie, homie. It's about 5 on me. I'ma survive, homie. Flying around with a chopper. Yeah, I can need a new chopper. If you want something to die for, rolling what can you decide though? I can keep off on the.
Are you only trading the challenge accounts and prop firm account? Nope, I'm trading personal account and I'm trading funded account.
Keeping that bitch in a hobby, rolling around in a zombie. You can't move with me, just stay away, ho. I keep the real shit. I'm in the real shit. Yeah, just ride the way. If you ride the way, shawty ride the way. Yeah, if you ride the way. I keep a baby on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah, shawty just ride the way. Yeah, ride the way. If you about it, it happen to ride and just come in and ride the way. Yeah, I'm in the real ship. I'ma survive today. Yeah, if you want ride today, come and just ride the way. Yeah, shawty just ride the way. Come and just hop in the ride. I got the drop top. Shawty just feeling the wave. I'm in a hot spot.
Yo, I appreciate y'all. Do you use copy trading? If so, which one? I do use copy trading, but that's through Copy Crusher. So if you are interested in that, make sure you guys tap into that. I can show you guys what Copy Crusher is going to look like in a little bit. We'll talk about it. Guys, keep an eye on me for the markets too.
You can't do like me, I move like Sims do. Catching the weight up, I got a blade up. Yeah, you just ride the way. If you ride the way, shawty ride the way. If you ride the way.
Okay, yeah. So I'm turning down the music a little bit. So yeah, basically, Copy Crusher is a tool for y'all to copy trades either from me or from other traders. There's going to be a lot of traders that's going to be joining Copy Crusher as a whole. The cool thing about Copy Crusher is you guys can copy directly from the account. So what I mean by this is, let's say your trader, Solo E, is on Discord and I post a signal and I say, I'm buying your USD or buy your USD. Instead of you going into Discord, looking at the notification and then confirming the trade and then trying to take the trade from there, you can easily just copy it directly to your account. Meaning that if you go into Copy Crusher, you can activate it. And okay, this thing is really fucking me over right now. It's this music. This is ad. And then what I'm getting at is that at the end of the day, you can set your own risk. You can set your own stop loss. You can set your own TP. So regardless if this trader is fucking crazy risker, you can set a 2%, a 3%, or 5 pips, 5 ticks. This is work for futures and Forex. You can set all of that through Copy Crusher. So that's the cool thing that's being built right now. This is for my sellers, and this is also for my traders. This is what the back end will look like when you guys sign up. You pretty much will be able to see all your accounts, your trade histories, your copiers, which is meaning are you copy from one account to one. Like you are able to do copy trading on board, which is really cool. A lot of prop firms don't even offer copy trading, but you're able to copy from one of your other accounts to your other account. You can also see your following. So basically there's this marketplace where you get to look at this handsome guy, but there's this marketplace where you get to see all of your traders. And let's say, like I said, you might see let's just throw a big trader. Mamba FX might be on here and you want to copy his trades. You're able to do that through Copy Crusher directly, right? You can see everybody's stories. You'll be able to filter out Forex, day trading, futures trading, and such. You'll have all your analytics here. You can choose which account you want to see for your analytics. This is your copier section, so you'll be able to see which copier is running. And then you will add your trading accounts through simply just coming here, selecting a trading platform, and then you can connect your account. And then you also be able to do your community as well. So that's pretty much what's getting built out. And I really can't wait for you guys to check that out when you get in tune with it. Yeah, so that's what's going on. The link is down below if y'all want to join a wait list.
Focused on excellence, compassion, and leadership, and grounded in Jesuit principles.
This ad is killing me. Let me turn it off. Oh my God. Yeah, so anywho, we was jamming to my song Ride the Wave, by the way, for those that did not know what that song was. That was Ride the Wave. But yes, there's a lot of tunes you guys can check out here. This is kind of like my playlist, my YouTube playlist that I play to you guys. So if you ever want to check it out, you definitely can. I just put it in there. I'm gonna pin it too for y'all to check out too.
Turn off that safe switch. Really get to eyeing you different, just know.
Yeah, unfortunately the markets were kind of trash for me today. I thought I would have seen something. I told you guys for gold, I will be looking for a gold setup, but you have to get in gold at the right time. You got to get in gold at the right time. Like, this is not the right time. I still see it going up, not selling right now. Not selling. Nasdaq. Oh shit, Nasdaq actually hit our area. Yeah, everything is dead right now. Yeah, so everything is dead right now. The market's kind of trash. Like, yo, it's not good.
Really can't believe it. When you came out of the trenches, you made them really seen it. They pocket watching you every time they really need it.
The song fire, yeah, I appreciate it. This is Safe Switch.
On that bitch, but time really move. Boss life shit, yeah, you time to really tune. Turn off that safe switch.
You know what, guys? I should get back into Bitcoin. You just reminded me. I should get back into trading Bitcoin. I was faithfully trading that.
Really get to envy you too much that you don't know some. Gotta sow some. Low some. Let it go some.
You said, how do you know when to get out of a bad trade? Before we get into that, let me actually say something. T, when you get the chance, I want if you can add all the music to my Notion and we can just play from there, because it's gonna be showing all of these ads. I'll probably have to call you about that. But how do you know when to get out of a bad trade? Oh, simple, man. Just two ways to that. One is, if my setup didn't exist, then I should already get out. But if it just hits my stop loss, or it's just close to stop loss, I just tap out. It's not nothing else to it, because I already have prepped myself to know where my TP at and where my stop loss is at. And I already prepped myself enough to know if this is going to be a decent entry model for me. So it's kind of like preparation before anything.
I had your back when I thought that you had mine. Cause wasted time is just one of the worst crimes. You were my baby, yes, well everything was cool. Going in and leak, you know that I was down for you. Running up on bitches had me looking stupid. If it ain't gon' hurt, I know I gotta do it. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I was in your phone, set it free.
Okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna be going live, guys, right? And what I want to mention to you guys is that let me stop this real quick. Basically, we're gonna be doing something called Trade a Dummy. It's called Trade a Dummy. Now, what is Trade a Dummy? So essentially, Trade a Dummy is where we get a trader that doesn't know much about trading at all. And fortunate enough, I was able to find that trader, and that is my assistant, T Emotion. She is in the building, and T is willing to learn to be a trader. She also has a YouTube channel. She wants to start being a trader. She's a female, so I thought this would be fucking perfect. Is my Notion template available? We will make it available if you guys want the tunes and the records. But she is a new trader. She's going to be in the we're going to get her on tomorrow. We're going to actually get her a funded account, right? We're going to get her a funded account with board, and I am going to take her funded account to funded or a challenge. I'm going to take her challenge account to a funded account, and I'm going to trade her account until I can get her very first payout with board funded. So I'm going to not I'm literally managing her account for one, right? But I'm going to teach her everything I'm doing, right? And then everybody that's watching, y'all are literally going to get the exact same experience, right? If you're a newbie or an experienced trader, you're going to learn everything from here to here. This is literally what I did in my boot camp a year ago when I was doing my 101s. I was literally trading, like almost trading their account for them. I don't do that anymore just because y'all mental be fucking my mental up. Like y'all be like, oh, look, can you look at this trade? It's down like $10. I'm like, bro, just leave it alone. It's going to be down. That is exactly what happened with this account. It was down like $30, but I was still holding the position and it ended up going to profit. Now we're in profit. I already set my risk to 30% total of what I would want to risk on my overall account, or 15%. But at the end of the day, we're gonna do that with her. I'm gonna see how this goes, and if this actually becomes a thing, I'm gonna do it with another trader, right? I'm gonna pick a trader out of our live stream. You guys, if you want us to do personal or funded, it doesn't matter. She decided to do a funded account, so we're gonna do a funded account, which is gonna be a little bit hard for me because I do risk a lot. I do risk a lot, but I'm showing you guys transparency as we're still profitable in this account with board funded, even though we got a 68% win rate. We lost 2 trades today, which means I'm not taking any more trades. That's pretty much it for this account. I'm not taking any trades. That's one of my rules. 2 L's, I'm done for the day. And that's what happened today. We took 2 L's and I'm out. So that being said, if you guys are interested in this, we're going to see how this goes for her. And then I would love to work with somebody else, like teach them. It's almost like my boot camp. Literally, I'm doing a boot camp for free. Like literally, that's what I'm doing, almost essentially. So that's what we're doing. And I'm excited for that. Really excited for that, y'all. So I think y'all will really like that. But that being said, I unfortunately have to head out because I got some meetings to attend later today. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Tomorrow we're going to be live once again with T in Motion. Make sure you guys subscribe to her channel. I think you type in T in Motion, it should pop up. Or you can see her literally chatting right there. But other than that, guys, I appreciate y'all. I'm out. I'll see everybody tomorrow. Peace.
You can just hold on. Hold on me. Hold it down. Let me hold it down. Love can get so, love can be crazy. You gotta hold on. Love can get crazy, crazy. Just hold on to me. Love can be crazy, love can be crazy. Hold on to me. Love can be crazy, love can be crazy. Hold on. Let me hold you down, baby, tell her you a Leo. I can put this feeling in your heart and make a trio. Love you once and love you twice. Fuck you to the end and tell you what it's like. I'm giving you that good shit, that good dick you want, baby, what it's like. Put you on that fly shit, you say that it's good, yeah, that's what it's like. Flower tattoos on your back, it got your head like. Just say in your cup, it make you feel like you just wanna have a good time. Oh, hold it down, let me hold it down. Love can get so, love can be crazy. You gotta hold on. Love can get crazy, crazy. Just hold on to me. Love can be crazy, love can be crazy. Hold on to me. Love can be crazy, love can be crazy. Hold on.
Coco, this your season right now.
Oh, thinking about you. And again, I know you got you. Straight, yeah, I know I got you. When you calling, you needing me. Yeah, I'm here when you seeing me. You that taste that you just really need. Don't panic, yeah, I got you seeing things. It's triggered, but I'm here for you needing me. Oh, then you needing me. I'm needing you. Oh, you needing that. Roll around too much long. Be home. Fuck around with the vibe and we gon' set a move up. Giving you that flash and I know you gon' pull up. Be whack, falling in some Gucci flip-flop. Settle down with you and make some move on TikTok. Gucci sheets is spread and get you off on liquor. So tell me when I'm coming through, cause when you calling you need me. Yeah, I'm here when you seeing me. You that taste that you just really need. Don't panic, yeah, I got you seeing things. It's triggered, but I'm here for you needing me. Oh, then you needing me. I'm needing you. Oh, you needing that. It's all about good vibes. Sometimes we floating in the clouds. End up high enough to do something so stupid. On the love I make it feel like we in Cupid. Yeah, we argue all the time, but it's cool. When we make up, yeah, we fucking. Sometimes we don't hit that room. It's the type of kind of vibe, and yeah, you know what it can do. We gon' settle down, cause I'm here. When you calling, you needing me. Yeah, I'm here when you seeing me. You that taste that you just really need. Don't panic, yeah, I got you seeing things. It's triggered, but I'm here for you needing me. Oh, then you need